Hi, I am Mohammad Afzal and welcome back to my channel on Simplex Mind. Today I will show you how to use match and index function in advanced Excel. So first, what do you mean by match and index functions in the advanced Excel? So the most powerful and flexible way to look up data in Excel is the index match method. It relies on two Excel functions, the index function and the match function. First, I will show you the example of index function. So here my first example box is equal to index, bracket open. What is my array? Array is whole numerical value in this table. Just selected J5, 2 and 9, comma, row number. So my row number is 3rd, comma. What is the column number? Column number is 4. You also type manually. You don't need to select any value. I show you just easy understanding, and then enter. So here I have a 12 quantity remaining of shirt of Excel size. So let's next example of match functions here. Equal to match. Here I find the position of shirt. The shirt have which position? So here the lookup value is shirt, comma, lookup array is item name sweater to jeans, comma. So I want exact match, just type 0, bracket close, and then enter. You don't have to type 1 or more than or less than, just type 0 to exact match. So here I have the 3rd position of this shirt, this 3rd row shirt here. Let's come next example. Equal to match, bracket open, lookup value is Excel size, comma, the table array select the whole column heading small to double XL, comma, type 0 and bracket close for exact match. So here enter. I found the 4th position, so Excel size in the 4th position. So let's begin the uses of the both combined function at one time, match and index function. So let's take an example to explain combined match and index functions. In this database, we need to look up the quantity in hand as per item name and its size. We already performed these tasks in 2 steps. Now we combine the two functions to perform this task. So equal index, bracket open, the array, again select the whole numerical value in the table, comma, then uses the match functions here. Lookup value is shirt, comma, select the whole item name sweater to jeans, comma, then type 0 for exact value, bracket close, comma. Again I use the match functions to find out the position of Excel here. So match, bracket open, lookup value is Excel size, comma, select whole the heading small to double XL, comma, type 0 double bracket close. So here I hold this formula to retain this formula and practice more about this. So you have to know how to use of the combined index and match functions here. So then enter. I have a 12 quantity remaining of short and double XL size, not double single XL size. So this is, we easily use match and index functions here. So I show this formula to retain this in your mind and practice in your Excel. So this is a small table, but in the company you have a lot of rows and lot of column. You didn't find manually. You have to use these functions to find the quantity. You have to use this function other Excel data also, not only the quantity. You have to use different data. So this is the advanced uses of match and index functions in advanced Excel. So thanks for watching my video on my channel. Please subscribe and share. If you have any doubt, so please ask me in the comment box. I will answer it.